department. We have PBB Jazz, we have Green, we have Colette and Kai. Tama ba yung nakikita namin? Yes, the PBB Gen 11 Stars. Perez and the President ko dito sa red carpet ng World Premiere. Oh, my love will make it disappear. Yes, World Premiere of My Love will make it disappear. Grabe po support. At syempre, sinusupport natin nila dahil mayroong special participation dito si Fiak at si JM. Ayan. So thank you so much for supporting the movie. Such an honor and a responsibility.
Wow! Responsibility!
Iwan natin sila dito sa stage para makausap natin sila. Kung nagsasabi natin, ano ba yung ina-expect nila sa JM Fiak? Sa movie na to. Dahil I heard pasabong pa na nila dito. Ayan, nandito si Jazz. Ayan, nakita tayo sa stage.
Yes! Magka-360 siya muna.
Sige. We'll leave for you guys. And our love for you guys will not be
Says that to here. Up here na. Supporting na.
Yes, their love is appearing. Yeah, appear is appear.
Oh!
Colette, ayan. Go, wrap up, girls. It's your moment. Wow. PBB Gen 11 Stars present in the house.
Ano kaya ang sagot para hindi disappear ang mga love team?
Tingnan natin kung mawawala yung sumpa niya ng ano, nakatalig siya. Parang meant to be single na lang ako. Kung may meant to be together, may meant to be single na lang ako. Kung may ahalik na ako, mag-disappear lang ko. Pero tingnan natin kung ano magbago yung heart na may heart na yung mga sumpa.
Let's ask our hello, ladies. Join us for the stage. Thank you so much for coming and supporting.
Ayan, welcome back to natin. We have Jazz, Colette, Green, and Kai. Ayan.
Want to ask you guys?
Ayan, pati sa muna sila dito sa mga kasa
Please
SMS.
invite
Corey.
It's amazing, it's exciting. We did watch it so watch with us, come on!
This is our first time at the premiere, so we're excited to see it. Hopefully you guys are excited to see it as well. And enjoy!
Excited na akong makita.
Excited ako makapanood. Yeah, so tomorrow is the start na, March 26. So please do watch. We're excited as you are. So thank you so much.
Of course, what can you expect dito sa mga kaibigan mo?
Yes, nandito si
Fian
JM,
and
tsaka si
JM.
Fian. Ano yung na-expect nyo?
Oh, exciting talaga ako!
Oh, excited ka si Ring, guys. Pero thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for your support. Sa My Love Will Make It Disappear. Ayan. Once again, the PBB Gen 11 Stars. Ring, Kai, Colette, and Jazz. And syempre, we have Shania.
Wrong season, pero malaman na.
Yes. Ayan, picture muna sila. Go. Kasama lang si Pao.
Thank you so much. We'll see you guys inside.
Thank you guys. See you later. Sir Mark, good evening po.
Si Miss Kat.
Good evening po and welcome.
Thank you for joining us.
Kaya anytime soon, ilang minutes na lang, nandito na sila. Kaya i-ready nyo na yung mga banners nyo, mga cellphone nyo. Okay?
Yes! Ready na ba kayo? Isa pa! Ready na ba kayo?
Very good.
Ayan! Malapit na mag-start ang premiere ng My Love Will Make You Disappear. We will be joined by the cast mismo in a few minutes.
Denny, Sir Denny, hello po. Welcome from Showtime Family. Ayan.
Pwede po kayo mag-hi and invite everyone here to please watch My Love Will Make You Disappear. Thank you so much for joining. Do not forget to post using our official hashtags My Love Will Make You Disappear and hashtag MLWNYT. The world premiere.
Yes. Spelling.
Oh, MLWNYT.
Yes.
The world premiere.
Sir Denny from Showtime. Ayan. Showtime Family. And
My Love Will Make You Disappear dito na sa stage. Grabe naman yung damit nila, the whole look. Kaya thank you guys so much for joining us. This is airing, of course, premiering worldwide starting tomorrow, March 26. May mga international screen dates din, March 27 sa Singapore, Malaysia, UAE, Australia, and New Zealand. March 28 available sa US at 360. Thank you so much for supporting us dito sa My Love.
sa mga tumulong dito sa at sa support na sa TV ng My Love Will Make You Disappear. Thank you for coming sa mga nandito pa kanina po. Maraming salamat po sa pag-promote mo dito.
Dito din sa mga natin sa
John Ami, hello po! From Showtime Family, yes! Support po. Ayan. Ako kompleto lang ang Showtime. Konti na lang. Gusto ko kompleto ng family ng Showtime.
Yes, kaya manonood kayo bukas.
Yes!
Yes. Alright. Malapit na. Malapit na akit ng taas.
Ayan, kaway-kaway kayo sa mga artists, sa mga stars.
We have Tito Cory Hernandez here with us.
Thank you so much po, Sir Ryan.
Kaya
Thank you so
perfect
much
talaga
po. Enjoy the
for
movie.
whole family, for fiancé, yung mga bata din, pwede. Rated PG naman ang My Love Will Make You Disappear.
And sure. Ayan, tawagin na rin natin si Lucas. Ayan, Lucas at dito po tayo sa stage. Ayan, kasama si Atasha at si Kelsey. Ayan, ang gwapong bata. Oh, yes. Okay, picture kayo tatlo dito.
Parang yung powers na.
Ayan. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, pwede lang kayo pumasok sa cinemas. Dahan-dahan. Ayan. So nakita niyo po ang mga bagets, pwede po silang manood dahil rated PG po ang movie na ito, okay? Pero kung may mga bagets, dapat may kasama ang nakakatanda, okay? Don't forget that.
Magulang or family member.
Okay, ayun si Lassie. Hello po, Lassie. Hi, ma'am. Welcome. Tawagin natin si Lassie sa mga tao dito sa SM. Ito mo.
What's up, mga people? Ayan, supportan po natin po sa pelikula na isa na Chita Princess. Ay, hindi ko lang sa video. My Love Will Make You Disappear. Sana manood po kayo, ha? Supportan natin starting with tomorrow, di ba? Yes, thank you so much